How to replace a light bulb on a Whirlpool microwave. First step you want to do is make sure that the light is in the off position. Another option is to either unplug it or turn it off at the breaker. Recommend using a halogen light bulb for microwave bulb replacement, as LEDs may interfere with the frequencies microwaves produce. You are going to need a Phillips head screwdriver under the microwave. The chamber will come down. Light bulb by turning it to the right. Reinstall and that's how you replace a microwave light bulb. Thanks for watching.